How to add columns on MailChimp. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add columns on MailChimp. Now, the first thing to do is to log in into your MailChimp account and open the campaigns page, just like I have done here. The campaigns page is located by the left side of the screen, right under create. Yes. So once you're on this page, just go ahead and click on create new campaign. Yes. So in this create new campaign, by the left side of the screen, you will see email automations, websites, landing page, creative assistant. These are options or ways whereby you can make campaigns either through email, through landing pages, through websites, whichever. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be selecting email. So just go ahead and click on design email. So once you click on design email, you'll be directed to this page where you would select those that you are sending the email to, who is the email coming from, the subject, send time, content. So click on content, that is design email. Once you click on it, you'll be brought to the templates page. Just click on start from scratch. Then you'll be brought to this web page. Now on this page, you want to add columns, right? How do you do it? By the left side of the screen, you will see content and then layout. Just go ahead and click on layout. Once you click on layout, you'll see the layout available for this email. You'll see 1:1, 2, and different sizes. Just go ahead and select the one you want. Select this by left clicking on it and then dragging the cursor to the page. Yes, so that is how to add columns. Now, if you want it to be 4, click on done, go back to layout, see 4, just left click this way and drag it to the page. You can see we have 4 columns now. Then you can just go ahead and edit it by typing in what you want to type in each of the columns. So this is how to add columns on MailChimp. Thanks for watching.